Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Diamond painting. Oh my goodness, I do not hope that this is a diamond painting. Just look at that, it's packed like that. I think it's the embroidery one, but it was a bit hit and miss last week that I can just not figure out what is in my parcel. So I truly hope that this is not a diamond painting, because that squished my stuff. Yeah, it is the embroidery. Okay, so Dearly Crafted and Rachel Ray were talking about doing beaded embroidery, and I thought, well, let me have a look, see what all this is about. So let's have a look. Let me just unbag this. You guys are in quite a bit. Let me just zoom you out. That's a bit better. Yeah. Okay, so I decided I'm going to start off with a partial and not a full. So this is actually quite cute. I was wondering about the texture of this. This is actually, it is a canvas, but it's like a more of a material type. So I'll just give this an iron before I get started. Alright, so let's see, there we go. And you guys can actually see what it is. And then you've got your colours down here at the bottom. I don't know if they DMC though. No, it doesn't look like DMC codes to me. I wonder if beads have their own code system. Don't know. Okay, so I ordered it. Let's have a look. See, I ordered it on the 5th of June. That's actually not too bad. It's a couple of weeks. Again, I'm happy with it. It's on par with how long it takes for something from AliExpress. So I've got a lot of what would you call this? It looks like gut, because it's plastic. It's not or nylon, so to speak. It's not thread. Don't know. Okay, that. You get 2 needles in the kit. What else is in here? Okay. Instructions in a different language. So what I'll be doing, I did watch the video, so that is I was watching Lovecraft Forever. She was doing a tutorial, really well done, a lot of detail in it, so I think if I should be fine, but if I get stuck, I'll get back to her video. It's just a bit odd because it's not, she was working on something that's square. This is all round, but it seems to be the same principle, because she said go in the one end through, and then it's up and down, up and down. Watch the video. I'll put it in the comment in the description, just so you guys have an idea. See, so it's all in I don't know what language that is. Czech or Russian, or I don't know. Foreign, that's what it is. Okay. Again, very nice texture to it. I don't know whether the embroidery has that as a rule. It's almost got a little bit of a felt backing to it. So I was thinking of, if it is material, I'm going to do it and then convert it into a pillow. There you go. So 8, 2, 3. This is going to keep me busy for a while. I just want to, looks like one has fallen out, so just bear with me. Let me put this back. A lot of black. I wonder what the black is. I'll have a look. Oh, it's the twirly whirly. I might do that in during the day. That's a piece of garbage. Chuck that in the bin. Ooh, this one is almost like a glass bead. It's really small beads. It's even smaller than the peyote beads. Which, no, it's okay. 10, 7. Another. I don't know what to put it against, so you guys can kind of gauge. Let's put it in a tray, and then that's that, right? Let's find a drill. Haha, there we go. We can put it through a drill. Okay. So we can get size comparison. Alright. So that's how teeny tiny it is. It's even smaller than a square drill. Okay. So that's the comparison. Let me just have a quick look here. Ooh, this one's also like a glass bead. Very nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 2 colors that have got 3 colors that have got it's almost like a glass bead. I think they're all glass beads because they're quite hefty. I just want to have a look, see. 6. Okay, alright. They gave me quite a lot of black. If you think about it, that doesn't really look like all that much. And that bit there, that bit. Because it's not everything, it's only certain areas. So you'll see that there we go. See there, guys, it's not all of the little squiggles, it's only some of them. Anyway, I'm quite happy with it. Let's just have a look at the size. Here's my measuring tape. So they said it's a 27 by 35. So, okay, so this is for the entire canvas area by 34. Okay, so just be mindful when looking for something. If you're looking for a specific size, just be mindful that it might just be the entire canvas and not for the picture, because the picture is just under 22 by 30.4. Yeah, so it's not completely 27 by 35. Either way, it's a nice one for me to try out. I had a look at a lion. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful. But it's a bit rich for me in the moment, and I thought maybe let me just first see whether I like this, because you might like diamond painting, doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be liking this. So the lion one that I saw was $52, but it's huge. It's I don't think I saved it on my watch list now that I think about it, which is a real shame. Sorry guys, I'm just going to try and see if I can find it because it's so beautiful. I've been going nuts on the planning stickers and things, so that's on my new watch list that I haven't named yet. Okay, Ali is having a meltdown and feeling very sorry for itself. Well, my Wi-Fi isn't behaving, so I can't really blame AliExpress. There we go. It's a happening. Okay, yeah, I did actually. Let's see. Okay. So the lion is 37 by 40 and it's $50. So that's a bit rich. But it is a full. Whereas this is only a partial. So we'll see how I find it and whether or not I actually enjoy doing it. So just to finalize the video, it's a little partial with the sun. It looks like, yeah, the beads are all yellowish kind of colors, and then dragonflies with the swirl. And I paid $13 and change. Let's see. Sorry guys. $13.78. Yeah. Alright, and the shop is the Golden Panno official store. Again, I will put the link in the description just so if you guys want to go and check them out. Yeah, so very cute. Right guys, thank you very much for checking in, and if you haven't clicked the subscribe yet, please click that subscribe button, and please like if you like this video. That way I know that you're interested in this craft, and I might do a bit more, maybe let you guys know how I get on. I probably will do that anyway, just as because this is a crafting channel, just to give you guys a bit of variety every now and again. Alright guys, take care. Bye.